We are now more and more looking to work closer with our partners, with suppliers, distribution companies, and customers. So for example, collaboration with key logistics providers, it does and will give rise to new opportunity for us and our partners. By being a member of industry forums on green logistics, such as Green Freight in Asia, gives the opportunity where we can sponsor and support change. Transport optimization, whether that's actually looking at our global, regional routes into Asia, or working with our customers in countries like we are doing in Vietnam and Thailand to reduce our transport footprint. And encouraging sustainability initiatives. Very much for a number of years now, as part of our supplier selection process, we assess our suppliers' environmental management processes and encourage their development of sustainability initiatives, an area we'll be working more and more on in the future. Sustainable partnerships is an area of further exploration going forward. And I guess to be clear, logistic network optimization clearly has the double benefit potential of reducing costs and minimizing carbon and greenhouse gas impact. We need to be able to measure this greenhouse gas impact in an appropriate way, but we also need to look at and look for initiatives over and above network optimization that will change this impact. So it's new technologies, whether it's in fuel efficiency, sourcing, different ways of working. That will be the future in logistics and distribution. So our regional performance in Asia Pacific, with the very much same targets as global Diageo, is firmly on track. We have achieved 3 of the 5 goals that are set out, and we have clear plans in place set out for the remaining 2. And I'm pleased to say that we're looking on track in Asia to do our part for Diageo globally in hitting our 2015 performance. And as mentioned, in being on that journey, we've received several external endorsements. And this does make for great PR externally, but the big added benefit is that it really does give a recognition to the teams inside the company who are delivering this for us. From the top down and from the bottom up, everyone is involved in our environmental journey, and they do really appreciate this recognition. So, in summary, being sustainable and responsible is fundamental to Diageo. And our structured approach to addressing our social, environmental, and economic impact helps us manage risk more efficiently. It strengthens our corporate reputation and builds engagement across all stakeholders, internally and externally. Our supply teams have so far created some award-winning technologies to manage our environmental footprint, deliver business efficiencies, and security of supply. I believe we put into practice in a powerful way, and I've shared with you examples of a meaningful vision and commitment from the very top, a developed multi-year strategy that is implemented, a clear investment program that supports the strategy, corporate targets which are linked all the way down to local site targets, and the management structure and measurements to support that. And very importantly, the engagement internally and externally to engage on the critical aspects of delivery. And just finally, I'd just like to share with you a 2-minute video which captures, I believe, the essence of our environmental journey to date.
Our brands are part of celebrations across the world. Every year, we manufacture, package, market and distribute the equivalent of 2 billion bottles across 180 markets. And for the consumer, recycling is the final stop for many of them. We've innovated with different bottle formats and partnered with customers on recycling. From our packaging to the grain that goes into making our drinks, we're investing in reducing the environmental impact of our products, and we're innovating our packaging design. Bottling Captain Morgan with recyclable plastic in some markets has reduced packaging weight by 90%. Our production sites are some of the most efficient in the world, and we're committed to reducing the amount of carbon we produce. We've achieved a substantial reduction in carbon emissions, but we're driving for a 50% reduction target by 2015. And we're reducing the amount of water we use. aiming for 30% less by 2015. We're also working in partnership with our suppliers and sourcing materials in a more sustainable way. In Africa, we aim to source 70% of raw materials locally by 2015. And in Ireland, we promote sustainability with our cream supply for Baileys. Environmental sustainability is key to the growth of our business and everyone's business. It's a shared responsibility for all of us. Our brands are part of lives across the world, and for us, that means celebrating life, today and tomorrow.
So hopefully the video gives you a little bit more of a different feel for some of our business and our environmental sustainability challenges through our supply chain. Our businesses are focused on generating prosperity in the communities in which we operate by creating shared value through our value chain and direct community initiatives, but importantly through creating a better and sustainable business environment. Thank you. We've got time for one or two questions, if there's any questions. Nope.
Thank you, Ben.
Okay, thank you very much.